What's up, everybody? I'm in my new studio. Tomorrow we start filming the principles of the internal combustion engine. We're going to go through this Chevy small block right here, and we're going to go through the inner workings of it, the rotation assembly, the ignition system, how you find top dead center, and a bunch of other little things that you might want to know if you're interested in working on an engine or building an engine. They all pretty much apply to everything internal combustion, whether you're working on a lawnmower engine or a gas engine like this. And yes, I said engine, I did not say motor. It's an internal combustion engine, but we don't got to argue about that. Or diesel engines, they all operate the same way, and we're going to get into this thing, we're going to tear into it, and I'm going to show you how it works. So stay tuned.